Alright, so I'm watching football. Yeah, I don't watch football that much. And I'm going for Green Bay. And they're going to whoop the Giants' ass. Oh, yay, Summer got back from the bathroom. Okay, so we just decided that we were bored and we were going to make a random video.
No one wants a shout out.
I'm getting kind of tired of shots. We need to start doing a video. Like something exciting.
Here.
So, look, I can do this weird thing. Watch.
I gotta do
Look at twitch, 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 twitch. I like my eyebrows. Bloop. I have a fat sister and a skinny sister. And I love them both.
I think she just started yelling at me because I wanted to
Can I have a drink of that?
message.
She's too into Facebook.
Unless you have something to say now, like sorry. Okay.
Hurry up. Look at that picture, isn't it cute? Oh, it's capital.
Yeah, you don't have to watch out no more. It's done. Yeah, you don't have to watch out.
I have some fat bitch on top of my lap. Get her off.
My life is boring.
Ooh, I found milk.
Ew.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna drink it. No, it was mine from earlier.
Ah, warm milk.
So I drink. Should I drink this milk from earlier?
No. Lexi, don't.
I'm not gonna drink it.
Just a side of warm milk.
It's not warm. It's actually cold.
No, that was there like in the morning.
No, I wasn't even here this morning. Who's that? Is that little kid? The one that was like not even talking to you?
Huh?
The one that wasn't even talking to you?
Oh.
This fat girl. She's gonna fall off the chair.
No.
Oh my god, I was gonna catch you, I swear. I was gonna push her. Ow! Oh, you fatty!
Don't. I'm gonna fall.
I know. Push her off the chair. She's crying. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her crying. Oh, I can't find her. She's fat. Fat. Oh, dang it. I dropped the water.
Okay.
Ow! Ah.
Oh.
So, that's what we do all day. It's a chapstick? Oh, it's fruit. Listex fruit smoothies.
Okay. We're gonna go now.
No, I'm having fun now.
It's 3 minutes long.
Okay. Mwah.